Hello and welcome my friends to a night of doing my nails. They're in pretty bad shape at the moment, mainly because of my job. I have to use my fingers all the time, and whenever I don't wear nail polish or something over top to protect them, they start peeling and looking terrible. And that's what's kind of happened the last few weeks, so I definitely need to chop them and we're going to start fresh. And I'm going to be putting some fake nails on just because I want some long nails. Basically all my nails have peeled from the last few weeks. I really should protect my hands and nails a little bit more. That's what I'm going to do. Especially since this whole week I didn't wear anything to work. I just had them bald. But it's been a stressful week, okay? It's always a stressful week. Every week, being an adult. Anyways, now I have to go find a nail file because I'm not prepared. I'm never prepared. Found my nail file. Time to file these little nubs into more nubs. My pointer fingers are like the most damaged, and then my ring fingers. Pretty bad, and my thumbs. Everything's just bad. Everything's bad at the moment. I've been starting to get back into nail stuff lately. I used to get my nails done when I was younger, about 11 or 12. My mum would take me to the nail shop all the time. Every 2 weeks or 4 weeks, I think it was every 4 weeks, she would take me. That's another way I've damaged my nails, I'm just remembering, because I use this sometimes to just get rid of the excess cuticle just on my nail, and it's a really bad idea. But I have bought some plastic sticks to help me out with that. Well, that is them all filed now. Should probably go give them a nice scrubbing. I forgot I had to clean up my cuticles a little bit, and I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use the thing that I bought for it, even though it doesn't work as good. But I just push them down a little bit, just kind of make them a nice shape. That's them. I'm going to go scrub them again, and then it will be time to put my fake nails on. I have a coffee. My boyfriend has made me a coffee. So I have this nail glue. I was using ones that are kind of in this form where it's a brush. I don't know how to explain things properly. I used this one last time, it didn't go as well, so I did buy a few brush ones to put on. Alright, I forget which hand is which. That looks huge. Okay, that seems like it's for this hand. I did look up some tutorials of how to put the glue on properly. I try to shave it down a little bit so it's not touching my skin. So we're going to start now. Let's just do that. Oh goodness, it's probably way too much. A little bit on the natural nail, quick. Oh, we're doing the wrong freaking finger. Oh my goodness. Already messing everything up. Over here. It around. That's how they're looking. Let's start with the right nail this time. This is way too much glue again. Oops, I just got glue on my fingers now. That's what I'll be getting off for the next few days. Keep touching the stick. The stick is gone. I get this stick now. Let that dry. I probably could have went down a little bit more again. I probably will let them dry for like 20 minutes just to make sure they're ready to file. Oh, get out of here. Feeling good? Alright, next hand. Finish it up. I'm going to let them fully dry, I guess. I'm just going to try and file the tops a bit. It would be good to have my electric nail file. I think I'm going to go and file them and then get in bed, and then in the morning I will put the nail polish on. But for now they're looking alright. So last night I did those ones there, and they are very pointy, which they do look cool, but I feel like whenever I paint on pointy nails on my own fingers, when they're so pointy, I just don't love it. I didn't really know what I was doing yesterday, But today I have a bit of a game plan. I file the tip down with these ones. Try not to make it so pointy. I tried to blend these ones in for a long time yesterday, and I didn't go as hard with these ones, and I feel like they look better. I feel like I was just trying to mimic my natural nail shape too much, whereas this one probably will give me a different kind of nail shape than I'd ever have. But we'll see. We'll see if we like it. But yes, that is done. I don't know how even they are. I try really hard to make them look even, but we'll see. I'm gonna have a shower and I'm gonna put some nail polish on. I don't ever bother doing a base coat with fake nails. I like to skip as many steps as I can. Even that colour looks really nice. It could just have that colour. There's just a lot of colours that I wear by themselves and I just get bored. This one's really pretty. I have flooded my cuticle just there, but I will fix that up. First coat. I nearly don't want to put any stickers on it or any toppers, because I was going to put some red heart stickers with these. We shall see.
Would you like a coffee, Tasha?
I'd love a coffee. I'm going to do the second coat and then I'm going to decide if I want to just leave this colour or do the top coats, I guess. I always struggled with my non-dominant hand. But I sort of figured a way. Still very hard. And the nails never usually look as good on this side. I always forget I have to float it over the nail. I just kind of push it in too hard all the time. Second coat done on both. I'm going to clean them up a little bit. Already ruining my nails. I feel like even when I do my nails pretty neatly, it's nice to just quickly go over them. Just makes them look even more neat. I'm just using this Zoya nail polish remover. I don't know if it has acetone in it or not, but it's pretty weak. I feel like this is taking a lot longer than I was planning, mainly because I keep taking breaks and I want to film everything, so that takes a little bit longer. But it would be good to get my little nail stands so I can just do them during the week. That's so nice by itself. It's hard. It's very hard. It's pretty streaky though. I haven't done a very great job on this side. We're gonna let them dry and I'm gonna look at some stickers and we'll see what we'll do after that, I guess. So I've wore it around for a little while and I'm already bored of just the plain colour, which happens usually. This is the picture that has inspired this nail design that I'm going to go for. I'm not going to do it exactly, obviously, but I'm going to do my own take on it. I'm going to put that on top. They look so pretty like this though. But in different lightings it looks kind of peachy, whereas here it looks so pink and pretty and shiny. We can have two separate nails. That is the nails now. Shiny. I'm going to go in with this quick dry top coat. Not enough. Way too much. So these are the finished nails for now, before I put stickers on them. These are the stickers we're going with. I think I'm going to go a different sticker on every nail. That is the first sticker. That's the next one so far. am going to do a little bow on the pinky. There's that. We're nearly done. We're nearly done. We are done. I'll put a gel top coat over these soon and I'll show you the finished results. They are all finished now. I put the gel top coat on. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!